Hi, this is a review of this beach chair. The brand did send it to me as a gift, so I'm going to show you how it looks like, how it works, and everything you need to know about it. So it opens up really easily. First you need to undo this, and then you just fold the chair open. It opens up really easily. You just do this, and there you go. And to close it, you just need to fold it. This is what the chair looks like. It's pretty big, which I like. And on the side over here, it has pockets. You can put your drinks in it and anything you want. And it also has a headrest, which is really nice and comfortable to lay in. And to adjust the chair itself, it's super easy. You just pull up the handles and it goes all the way down or up. And buckle. So I like how it has this strap. You can just buckle it so your chair doesn't go anywhere, and it also has this cool backpack, so you can actually just use this chair as a backpack to carry it, which is super easy and comfortable. I think this is a great beach chair, so if you're looking for a good one, I highly recommend this one.